One Ghana-based Nigerian lesbian don't come outside, they cry, oh, say they rape her and they drug her. This girl, what they call Ella Diva Elios, it be like saying one kind popular star. Me, I don't know where she be star for, be for TikTok, I been for where. She don't come outside, they cry. If she has this girl, they cry. Say some 2 men carry her, say for 2 good days. Then they go, they rape her. I know condition because say she be lesbian. I make her rape her, because of waiting. Anyway, this girl don't come outside, talk her mind, talk waiting what happen. Say she don't even, in fact, she don't even feel remember waiting happen. Making her watch as she talk this thing.
Please, I don't know who's watching me live right now. Everybody who knows me, it's me, Ella, it's me, Ella. I'm with the police right now. I'm with the police. I'm heading to the hospital to get hospital. I'm going to the hospital right now to get a medical report. Please, anybody that knows me, contact me on 054-720-571. Everybody should contact me. I've lost all my contacts. I was drunk and I've been raped. I don't remember what happened. I don't know what has been happening to me for the past, I don't know how many days. Since on Sunday. I don't remember what happened. I don't remember what happened. I'm trying to create awareness. Please, I don't even know who I can contact. I don't have anybody's contact. They've wiped my phone. I don't have anybody's contact. I'm with the police right now. Please, I beg you. Anybody who knows me, I know all of you know me. It's me, Ella. I was drunk and I've been raped. I'm at eye clinic. This hospital. I need help. You guys should come for me. Come to my aid, please. I need emergency help. Anybody who knows me, anybody who is seeing this right now, please come to me. Please come. I'm not safe. I don't remember anything that happened to me. Last thing I remember is waking up it's being at a friend's place on Sunday. It's okay. So, I've written my number down there. Please just contact me. Contact me. Thank you. Just contact me, please.
When I don't see as this girl they talk. In fact, she dey even talk confused to me. I don't know be na the rape. Now I don't scatter her brain. When we say she no know wetin dey happen to her again. I don't understand though. How person go there? People go just dey vex say person na lesbian. I make na one Congo raper. Now she decide say na wetin she want be this. I even take short self say she know they receive this thing from the other side. On another show now, but because of say the person they come outside for Instagram or for social media, they talk say she be lesbian. Now constantly say the only way to pay her back now to go follow and sleep. They say they rape this girl. They even can't give her drug. Ha! People wicked. People they and she don't even write for her Facebook page say this one at the end of her life. Say she won't go die until never reach that stage. Oh. He never reach that stage because these things are what we even talk. He show me say as they do this thing, you feel even they enjoy them. But you know just want talk say you enjoy and say because of say waiting you be lesbian. Fine, they don't do this thing. If say na your fellow girl where they sleep with him, you go talk say hey, they rape you. No, but this one because now I don't even know. She be na because now man, I be na because now woman. I make it come they pain this girl now like this. She don't talk say she won't go die. I beg no die because if you die, last everybody go even forget you. Now rest in peace. They go right for your matter. But everybody now, human being, we dey always talk about this matter, this rape matter. No be about saying she be lesbian now. She self na human being, she get her own rights. Person no go just sit down, come and say they rape. If say na another person, be if say as we dey talk about rape case, small children we go come out, everybody go dey vex, go dey para. But this one na because na girl, people dey talk say na God catch am, say they even pray self say make she get belle. Which kind wicked people be this? People wicked. People no even they look and say they do this thing multiple times. They don't even reason I'm saying this girl they go through pain. Maybe she don't even go catch one kind of disease as they follow her sleep. I be something don't even do her. Maybe they don't even overdo this thing where be saying things don't even, in fact, her scrotus don't even spoil. They don't think they just the reason say she be lesbian. So this is what they do for her, it good. And we they hear say this girl self, she they sleep with big celebrities. So all these celebrities they follow saying they don't marry them. Say na lie. Say this girl they give them back to back. She they give them on a regular. But say now you see now underground thing. No be everybody they know this kind of thing. But as this girl can't go police, I don't understand. So police go come arrest her now. Be they go just leave her say because one I know say to be lesbian now it dey illegal abi. Abi they accept them and even to know. But say police won't release her, abi they go still arrest her say okay this thing way they do, you know they okay. Abi they go just focus on the case say somebody rape her. I pray say this lady no go hurt herself, oh, and I hope say she go just try go hospital, go treat herself. Now the only thing wey she go fit do to kill yourself, no be even be the best option. And the way we dey sing for this Nigeria, in fact, for everywhere, the kind thing wey dey happen. If say na so, I no even know wetin Sodom and Gomorrah do God o, where God destroy the whole nation. But the ones wey we dey do, these Africans and everybody, e don't even reach make God even destroy everywhere. Make God just scatter everything, because people just dey wicked. Person go just sit down, they think evil. This girl fit just dey in house, no even dey reason this kind thing, but another person dey somewhere, dey reason this kind bad thing for this innocent girl wey no even know you from anywhere. When she know they owe you money, she know they do. So why you dey think bad for your neighbor? And people there will be say that they even support this kind of thing. They believe say this the way these people do is good and it dey sweet them. Not be so life be, oh, not be so life be, because on judgment day everybody will receive their own judgment. Now here at the end this matter, oh, anything wey una feel, make una write am for the comment section. Then make una don't forget to like, oh, share and subscribe to this channel. I go see you for our next video. Some albino hunters don't go cut 1-2 years old girl handle. This one happen for Zambia. Now wow, Zambia people. Now like this, now they kill children. 2 years old pikin. This woman now where this thing happen to come outside talk say she dey live her life normally. Oh. Say in fact she dey happily married with her life. But as some things can't happen, now her husband leave her. Say she go her mama place as wahala dey between she and her husband. Now there she can't dey live, or she go dey live with her mama. Say for night, they don't even chop, everybody don't even sleep, go. Somebody come knock her door for midnight. Now there she come, who be this kind of person wey go dey knock my door by this time? Before she go here, they talk say, na Zambian police. She come say, police by this time. Wetin una dey find for my house by this time? She can't come out, no be say she even come out, she dey near the door, come dey ask and say, wetin they dey find by this time of the night? They talk say, that they find drugs. She go dey talk say, now only she and her mama and her children they live for here. Nobody they do anything wey be drugs. Now there the policeman just come out and shout say, if she no open that door, she go break the door. Say go break the door. At least make she just give this policeman respect. Now she can't agree. So okay, make she even open this door. As she open the door, now she say she see that in this man there be 3. So all of them wear black coats. And you know say all these outside people police sometimes they sabi wear this black coat, maybe because of cold. Say they wear them, but these ones they can't wear cap. I been a hat. Can't even wear face masks. So she can't even tell them say nothing there inside this house. Now one of these officers, I been acclaimed officers, can't carry her go outside. Go they ask her question saying, which people they use drug for the area? She can't talk. She don't know anybody where they use drug. But she said as she they answer this man, her mind they do her one to tell her and say, if like say these people no be real police, or because if na real police, at least you go know say these people go wear uniform. But then these people no wear uniform come. But maybe they be CID, I been a FBI. Now I make the dress like that. Before she go here, her children don't start to they cry. Wetin dey happen? The small boy come shout say, "Mommy, they have cut my sister's hand." Oh. Then these people wey claim say they be police, they don't go cut this albino baby hand. They talk say for Zambia, say albino business, now like big. You see as people they do yahoo for other say now so albino business be for there. Say if you be albino, if you go born albino pikin, where your pikin just even get small oyinbo, when you even be oyinbo say small. Say they go come kill the pikin, say that they use their body part too. Say she just they hear all this kind of thing. She no even believe say her pikin now this kind of thing go come happen to. So as the matter be like this time, they don't cut this small girl hand come out. So as they come even as this pikin start to dey cry, now girl she start to dey struggle with this police officer way there outside. But the man hold gone. So she no fit do anything. Say the remaining people come outside, carry this baby hand. They go. But as it be like this now, these policemen they no fit identify them. Say police don't even do their work, but still they no see them. How people go just they wicked go kill 2 years old pikin because of say waiting. Now so people don't lazy rich will be saying you know go fit work. The one where they even vex me now, you know go even know who be real police again. This one will be say person go come as police come enter your house. And if say you know open door now, it fit be another thing. This one now she don't open door, don't turn to wahala. They don't carry this pikin go hospital. Only God know as this pikin go take fair. Because they thought say they get one albino organization for Zambia. Say they don't even take care of this pikin. But this pikin they in great pain. People wicked though. People really wicked. How you want make this pikin they do? How you want make this pikin? And I they hear them say all these albino people and people even get hunchback. Say now so they use them, but I never even believe. I never hear one concrete story. Now just like superstition, just they hear and say, "Oh, they talk am." This one na small. How you expect make this pikin can grow with one hand? They will come they tell and say, "Now ritualist na." In fact, in some matter, now juju na be the solution. Forget say we be Christians. Make you go find one babala abi one juju person. Make the person self do juju. Kill these people who won't do this juju thing. Because this one pay me. Small pikin, we never even know anything. 2 years old girl. Now I can't see say na she na one can go use they do this ritual. How you expect making family they feel? And this parent now they talk say even that house, they no feel for that house again. The one wey come overboil my mind talk say this woman say as she born this pikin, na him make her husband leave her. Say the husband say him na black man, him no yellow. So how come she can't go born albino pikin? Some men sef, how na meant some people just even dey local. Say you born albino, so no be you get am. E dey chances dey say you fit just born this albino. But because of this thing, the man can't feel say she go leave the woman. And for their place, they say for Zambia, if you dey single, it be like saying a sin for there, be you go there. So they say I'm like one kind bad thing, where some people they even enjoy their singleness, like talking about and watch, they even enjoy her life. Now somebody there for Zambia, they cry, say nobody don't marry her, nobody don't toast her. Because of this, auntie can't go even remarry. As she remarry again, they talk say this man wey she even marry. Now because of say wetin, she born albino pikin. Now make this man they follow her. So this man said, get reason, he won't use this albino pikin. Now make this man come carry her pikin run. But me as this whole matter being, this her husband, I been her ex-husband. Now he supposed to be first suspect for this whole matter. Now he they supposed first go arrest because he married this woman because of say wetin, he won't use this pikin. And now when they don't cut this pikin hand, no, in fact they don't even supposed go search for. Now him may they go meet first. Because he go know them, these police people will go fake like say they be real police. He go know them well. Anyway, that's why I bring this matter. Now so we hear this kind of thing, anything way I feel about this matter. This no be even sweet matter. It pain me well. Anything way I feel, making a write down for the comment section. Then making a don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you on for our next video. Them don't arrest 2 armed robbers wey go thief for Redeemed Christian Church of God. E get one branch wey dey for Shagamu side. Na there then these people go thief for. These people wey their name na Fidelis Francis. They talk say this one na 28 years old and he come from Cross River State. While the other man wey be Lukman Jimon say this one na 40 years old man. Say this man also come from Ondo State. Ondo people and Cross River, and I like bad things. In fact, the DSP Abimbola Oyeyemi, wey arrest these people talk say, people call them as them they did for their station say, bless say some kind things they happen for that church. What do they call them? Shagamu Divisional Headquarters. And they call this, I say something they happen for the church for around like 2 a.m. Now there people they notice say, bless say something they happen. Kurukere movement they happen inside the church. Now there they come call these people say, thief dey inside this church. Say as then these people even reach, you know the one wey even surprise me, say this police go there with local vigilante. Police people, so on our own police squad no even reach. They go be say na go dey rent, na go dey rent vigilante to come join in. Now so Nigeria don't use less. It will be say our police no even reach us. So all the training, all the people wey they employ for police, they don't finish. Will be say na vigilante. Abi police have they fear. Now I mean they go employ vigilante. No say vigilante they get juju. So maybe vigilante go dey front, police go come dey back. Now I make they use all this kind method. You be like say they fear. They just they use style corner they do this kind of thing. So as they reach there, they don't even meet anybody. Say then these people don't run past window. Jackpa. So as they search, they don't see anywhere. But as they look from one kind side, they see one kind motor for there. So this motor na Lexus car. The car they don't park am near. No be say it's too near. It's just they near the church, small. So they come they look say, as it be. Now these people will get this car, now they go get this thing. I come they wonder, what thing you won't go even thief for church? Now the fan, standing fan, what in their church where you won't go thief? Because most people now they carry their money offering go even put for bank. So I don't know what then these 2 men get. I mean maybe they don't inform them say somebody won't come do one kind big donation for church. Now maybe they can't go to church say they won't go thief for them because I don't even understand. But anyway, then this police shock me. They come to say as this whole thing they happen around 5 hours they can't put surveillance camera since this one are in both film because I never hear say Nigeria they thief within 2 hours, 3 hours, they don't go put surveillance camera. When I for hear that one reach, but now waiting then this police people talk, say they go buy surveillance camera, come put them around, they come they monitor these people. Say and then these 2 men, they come later, after 5 hours later, they come say they won't come enter this motor. Now there, they come catch them, these people. So then these people they even claim like say, no be them, you know, say Yoruba people, they so be do innocent face, they go they do face like people when they sin. So the man come start to But as they come carry these people go church, they say this church surveillance camera sef dey there. Na there they come show say na dem these two people na thief this thing. Before they come even gree say yes na dem. And as they come even search the motor, e get one iron rod. Just na this rod they use take break door. They come even see this iron rod sef inside the motor. Na there they come even agree say na dem do am. People wetin na dey go thief inside church? Wetin dey inside church? I no understand. Wetin una no dey even fear God? Una go dey steal from the house of God. Na wetin make God even use this one catch una? Abi na house of the pastor? Because I no know as e be. Because which kind money wan dey inside church? Offering wey people dey put for 5 naira, 10 naira. The highest wey you go even see wey person wey even get money put sef, dey na like 15 naira. Na you come agree say na this kind money una wan go thief. And this kind thing no be only this place e dey happen for. I don even see am koro for my own eyes. When some people go church, but these ones they know say this church get things. They go thief their camera, their mixers and everything. All this and the amount wey they go use this thing selling na one kind mumu amount. Church will buy this thing now, but 150,000. They will go sell am for 5,000 naira. And I know they even think. As God don't catch now, they don't catch now, they can't sit down and post. This one where they even say 28 years. You know even resemble person even be 28 years. This one resemble even, in fact, 50 years, just in face, even thick. You go even know say na thief. Some people, they don't even need to tell you. If you see their face, the way they dey kakaraka, you go know say this person na potential armed robber. But as they catch these people, it sweet me. It means say our Nigerian police, they work. Una dey try small. Make we no go over praise and make our head come dey swell up. Una dey try, una do well for this kind of matter. But all these kind of people now know say thief plenty for church. Even some people say they talk say this whole matter is sweet them because pastor sef na thief. But forget this matter, say pastor go ask for tithe, ask for this one. So wetin the pastor sef they use the money do. Now wetin they pay some people sef for that make they support this man. But for me, this thing no be good thing at all. E dey ungodly. If you want go thief, go CBN, go big place, go thief. No be poor church, one kind small church wey be say even the offering say they never even build the church finish. Now there you want to say you wan go thief for there. The thing no make sense at all. Anyway, now here I go end this matter. Anything wey una feel, make una write am for the comment section. Then make una no come forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I go see you for our next video.